Welcome viewers and subscribers. Today we're going to do a video on I'm going to be making some stew peas and white rice. Yes guys, real Jamaican food, stew peas and white rice. But before we get into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for coming back. Let's get right into the video. Chicken breast right here. Now I'm using black beans instead of regular red peas to make this stew peas. So I wash it and I'm going to soak it for a minute. Adding in my chicken breast to this. After soaking the peas, I'm putting in my chicken breast. And I'm going to use, this is a pressure cooker. I'm going to use a pressure cooker and pressure it for like 20 minutes. And then check it. And stew peas, and stew peas if we don't have the little spinners them in a hit. So that we have to write now. Now I add my seasoning. I have green pepper, hot pepper, thyme, scallion and some onion. And then I'm going to put a dash of salt and some black pepper. And this is where you just like cover it and let it simmer down, turn down this flame and let it simmer and get thickens. I don't like when it's too thick though. But yeah, it's gotta be thicker than this.